and welcome back to this channel. And today we are doing a comparison between the OpusClip Pro and the starter pricing. We want to see which is best for you. So we're going to look at their features, how much they cost for the starter and for the Pro. Let's get started. Now, when you look at the starter plan, the monthly cost is $15. For the Pro is $29, so the starter is cheaper. When you look at their annual price, starter plan is $180 per year, while Pro is $288 per year. Then you look at the AIB rule. The starter doesn't actually have the AIB rule, but the Pro version does. So if you choose the Pro plan, you get AIB rule. You also get XML exports, which you cannot get with the starter plan. You get social media scheduling or scheduler in the Pro, but you won't get that in the starter plan. Then we also have what they call multi-aspect clipping. You can get that in the starter plan, but it is limited. While for the Pro, you get full support for multi-aspect clipping. Then the last thing, collaboration tools, which is totally absent in the starter plan, but you can get it in the Pro plan. So if you are working with high video volume, you need team tools or want premium features like scheduling and XML exports, OpusClip Pro is the clear winner for value. Hope you found this video helpful.